Ready? Follow me. Inhale.
I will try, ma'am.
Now.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la,
You have to hit do. Once more, please. Inhale.
do, re, mi, fa, sol, la,
Do. What's wrong with you?
Ano ka ba siya?
You can do it. You have the voice.
Gusto mo bang magalit ako?
No, Tito.
Continue ang profesor.
Once more. Now, concentrate.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la,
Iha, simple-simple. Pakinggan mo ko, sige.
Din, please.
Tito.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Paapin naman yung piano.
Nag-voice lessons ba mo kayo?
Oh, Dean. Okay, ang mabuti pa, iwanan muna natin siya. At
Dean?
may fright, may konting stage
Oh,
fright.
oh, yes, Dean. Ngayon, Dean.
Ngayon, Dean. Doon tayo sa kwarto.
Please, continue with the Doremi Fasola Tito.